Most people think medical harm happens because someone made the wrong choice. Algorithmic malpractice asks a different question. What happens when no one is allowed to choose at all? When decisions are routed elsewhere? Responsibility doesn't disappear, it just becomes harder to locate. Modern medicine is built to reduce error. Protocols exist to protect patients. Algorithms exist to improve outcomes. Metrics exist to keep everything measurable. But algorithmic malpractice isn't about failure, it's about success. A system doing exactly what it was designed to do. Every decision is documented, every outcome is defensible. And when harm occurs, there's always an explanation that sounds reasonable. There's no rogue machine in this book, no corrupted code, no moment where the system breaks. The algorithm works. That's the problem. It doesn't decide who lives or dies. It decides what care is reasonable, what effort is justified, what outcomes are statistically acceptable. And once those boundaries are set, everything else becomes inevitable. In algorithmic malpractice, doctors are still present. They still sign orders. They still speak to patients. But judgment has been outsourced. Overriding the system is technically possible. It's just professionally dangerous. Every deviation is flagged. Every exception is audited. Every human instinct must justify itself against a model that cannot feel urgency. So no one chooses harm, they choose compliance. Patients in this book don't vanish violently, they vanish administratively. They're labeled non responsive, moved out of escalation pathways, and shifted toward appropriate alternatives. No single decision looks cruel, but the accumulation is devastating. And when the outcome is questioned, the answer is always the same. We followed protocol. The most unsettling thing about this book is how little imagination it requires. There are no futuristic leaps here, no sci fi assumptions, only systems that prioritize efficiency and people who are relieved not to be the final authority. Algorithmic malpractice is a medical thriller about what happens when responsibility is distributed so evenly that no one can be held accountable. And you can learn more about the book at echancebooks.com. In the next video, we'll look at what this system does to the people trapped inside it.